In this video, I'm going to show you how ASA CX allows you to view user information. We will start by logging into the Cisco Prime Security Manager. After logging in, you land on the dashboard, which shows you the health of the firewalls, the top sources, destinations, and so on. This video focuses on user information, so we will go to the top sources section. In this section, you will be able to see the top users in your network. The dashboard shows you the top 5 users by total transactions. You can also choose to view the top users by denied transactions. A typical scenario might be that if a user is generating an abnormally high number of denied transactions, the machine might be infected and trying to access malicious destinations on the internet. Similarly, you can also choose to view top users by allowed transactions. You can also switch the view to data usage. Here an example would be that if a user is downloading extremely large files, you may not see the user listed in this graph based on total transactions because the transaction count is low, but you will see the user based on the high data usage. From this graph, it is easy to switch to a more comprehensive graph of users by clicking View More. This takes you to a user page which will show you more number of users. It will show you the top 10, 100 or 1,000 users based on your settings. You can also choose to view the data in absolute values or percentages. Let's say at this stage you would like to see the specific transactions for a user. You click on any of these numbers here, which will take you to the event viewer, and the event viewer shows you the relevant transactions. You will notice that it does this by putting in an appropriate filter. You can click on any of you can further filter these transactions by specifying more filter criteria. Let's say that you are actually investigating an HR violation complaint against the user, and the HR would like to see the transactions for a specific time period. You can specify the time period here, which filters the transactions. And let's say the investigation needs to focus on transactions going to social networking websites. You simply click the web category name and it auto-populates the filter query. Once you click filter, it filters the transactions based on this query. At this stage, you can choose to send these transactions to HR. You can also view the overview of the usage of a specific user by going to the user dashboard. This dashboard shows you the total transactions and other details. To go there, click on the user name, and this takes you to the user dashboard. Here you'll see the total transactions. You'll see the top user devices used by this user, any malicious transactions generated, and what web destinations is the user going to and what applications the user has been using. All the graphs can be filtered by the top level time filter. This ends the video. To summarize, we saw using Cisco Prime Security Manager, you can view the top users, also called the top talkers in your network. You can also view the detailed transactions generated by a specific user. Thanks for watching.